Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of how to remove admin rights in Windows 10. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting and Windows tips. Let's get started. To remove admin rights, follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Press the Windows key and the I key on your keyboard simultaneously. This will open the Settings app on your computer. Step 2. Once the Settings app is open, look for the option labeled Accounts and click on it. This section allows you to manage user accounts on your system. Step 3. In the Accounts menu, select the option that says Family and Other Users. Here, you'll find a list of all the accounts on your computer, including those with administrative privileges. Step 4. Find the administrator account you want to remove the rights from. Click on that account and you'll see several options. Select the button that says Remove. Step 5. A confirmation screen will appear. Here, click on Delete Account and Data to proceed. This action will remove the account along with any associated files, so make sure you back up any important data before continuing. And that's it. You've successfully removed admin rights in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.